welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today we are doing other round of the one, the only Skywars Duos. So we are doing the Circus one today. Circus, now it's pretty good. When it comes to like going to mid, I don't really like it. There's a lot of people ready to kill. This is the first video on Skywars, so I really hope you guys like it. Give a like, a follow, all that stuff. It really helps me out a lot. So let's get into the video. So we got decent stuff. So I put fire protection on my chest plate if I get it. Any fire protection, I'm fine with it. I mean, it's not the best. It's not the best, but you gotta live what you get. You gotta live with what you get. May not get the right stuff sometimes in this game, man. So I'm just gonna bridge to mid real quick. I know I'm on a track. So basically, I'm gonna do a tutorial, but you just walk and then get your two fingers getting ready to place on where you click the exit button and where your camera is. Then just when you jump, move your thumb, take that finger off, and then start placing blocks. So I'm gonna do that to mid. Okay. So we may not win the first round. I really hope we do. That would be really, really exciting. If I do say so myself. So, combo combo. He's red. Then a golden apple. Okay. Okay, that was pretty unique, the way that I died. Swear. So before I started recording my practice one, I swear this dude had such auto clicks. I mean, I was wearing my and oh yeah, you can record and go record. Just wanted to advertise that, even though I'm not advertised. But basically, I swear that dude had auto clicks when I was wearing my headphones because I could hear it so well. Like it was so loud. Like I swear, there's no way he wasn't auto clicking. Like that dude. And he had like speed. I don't think you get it in these. I don't think so. I swear that was so irritating. And I'm gonna probably get killed if I don't start running. Yay. Yep. I forgot. No way! Oh my. Come on. This is really scary. Oh my gosh, so much lag. I just know I'm gonna turn down. Yikes. Oh no, I'm about to fall to my death. I swear. I know it's risky going in the chest. But at least you got me. Hey. Oh my gosh, my game's glitching. Lord, why does it always do that? But I swear my Wi-Fi is so bad today. I live in the hills. What can I say? Guys, don't judge. I swear, bruh. My Wi-Fi. Lord, I don't know what's happening. No. Okay, I am scared. I'm so scared. Right, I hate this map so much. I wish they can remove it. Bro, like, it's so annoying. It's so annoying. Moving around the map, and you can't like blast people into the ground. Dude, how would they do that? I'd rather be killed in the ground than getting killed because someone is spamming and I'm just dying because I'm stuck in a obsidian block and I don't have a pickaxe. I mean, you don't see that red dot? That's mine. Mine is on you. Mine is on you. So I don't know if you didn't like. So, guys, you should like. You should definitely like. I would prefer that. After all, this is the thing that I do the most in this game. This is my perfect game. Die. Bruh. Nah. No. Hi, buddy. How you doing? Sorry, you aren't gonna be doing good after. Bruh. Just die. Look at this dude. Bruh. Can you like back off? You should back off. Bruh, back off. Back off. Later. Bruh. I swear. I mean, my game just like... This dude will be your boyfriend if you don't like and subscribe right after you see this photo. This is the dude. Bye. Oh yeah. By the way, guess what? I can't believe I'm saying this, but it wasn't glitchy through the camera. That's so weird. That is so weird. Okay, bye.